Today I'm going to be giving a review on the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. I have this in, this is what the color looks like, but also one of the reasons I bought it was because of the applicator. I just don't have a lip oil that has this good of a applicator, and it just feels amazing and very luxurious on your lips. So you can see I have a little bit of foundation on my lips from doing my foundation, and they're just very crusty, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Now, I like to add lip liner if I'm going for more of a glam look, but today I'm just doing a very everyday look. And this actually lasts. I mean, you saw how crusty and gross my lips were and how amazing they look now. It feels absolutely amazing. I will still wear this even when I'm not wearing makeup because it really hydrates my lips so well. So again, this is the color Rose Envy, and this is what it looks like, and it is by far my favorite lip oil ever. I will definitely be getting a new one. As you can see, I'm running low on it. Highly recommend. Shade Rose Envy, and I love this. I have this in multiple colors. This one is definitely my everyday go-to, but I just cannot get over the price point of this and how well it stays. I literally was at a restaurant with a bunch of friends and family. We had just eaten tacos, and my lips looked the same after I'd eaten the tacos that everybody asked me what I was wearing because it actually stays put so